Alrighty, as you can tell, the S4 is pretty much covered in snow. And then this is kind of to show you guys how much snow there is. Yeah, there's like a good foot of snow. Oh shit. Yeah, this thing is covered. Alright, let's go ahead and start it up. We need this. Take that off. Alright, we pretty much just cleaned the car as much as possible. Let me go ahead and show you guys how it looks from the outside. Once you clean the car, everybody knows you gotta get back in here. You gotta warm up for a little bit, and then you gotta go back out because you don't want to get frostbite. You just don't want to risk it. Just get inside, just clean it, get inside, warm up, and then do it again. All right, let me go ahead and show you guys how it looks now after taking the snow off for like a minute. And after cleaning the car for a minute, this is how it's gonna get, to be honest. That's as good as it gets. All right, pretty much we've just been driving around, and I'll be honest with you guys, this thing handles amazing. It doesn't even have winter tires. All it has is all season Continentals, and that's pretty much it. It's Quattro with the all season Continental tires, and we're just cruising. We're going 30 miles per hour in a 30 mile per hour zone. No need to slow down. Obviously there's no cars here, so you know, we're pretty much, what we're gonna do is we're pretty much gonna address accordingly. So if we need to drive slow, we'll drive slow, even if we have the Quattro system. So there's a pile of snow right there. Nothing. This thing just goes over everything and anything. We're picking up speed normally. There you go. Got a shift, but yeah, there you go. See, everything's good. So if you guys live in a place where it snows a lot, like here in Illinois, Wisconsin, Michigan, New York, do yourself a favor and get yourself a Quattro, because this thing will tackle any snowstorm.